Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fetch products from Shopify using GraphQL in Node.js. Let's get started. Before we dive into the code, make sure you have installed Node.js and the Shopify API-node module. If you have not done that yet, I will show you how you can do that. First, let's set up our project. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. So, first command you will type mkdir and the directory name. In my case, I will type Shopify GraphQL fetch. This is the name of my directory. I will hit enter. Now my directory is created. Now I need to change the directory, so I will type cd change directory Shopify and GraphQL dash fetch and hit enter. Now I am in the Shopify GraphQL fetch directory in that folder. Next command, we need to type npm init -y. Hit enter. And next we need to install the Shopify API module. So I'll type npm install Shopify -api-node. As well as we need .env module .env. So I will enter and it is installing our modules. So now let's open the directory into the Visual Studio Code. So I'll type code. Let me clear the screen first. So I will type code dot. So it will open the directory in the Visual Studio Code. So first we will create a new file .env. We need two variables here. Shopify access token, which you can grab from your Shopify store, and Shopify store URL. So I already have those credentials for my store, so I will type them over here. And please make sure these are you are not going to share these credentials with anyone else. I will be deleting these credentials after the video. So this is only for demo purpose. So this is my Shopify access token and this is the store URL. I close that. And next file I'm going to create over here, fetch products .js. You can name it anything, but in my case I name it fetch product.js. So now I will call these module. First I will call the require .env module .config, and next we need to call the Shopify API node module. So I'll type const Shopify is equal to require Shopify API node module. Next we need to create an instance of the Shopify node API node module. So I'll type const Shopify in its smaller case new Shopify instance, and here I will pass the object. We need two things: shop name, which we have saved over here. Our shop name is this saved in the shop store URL. So I will use that variable. So I will type process.env dot Shopify. Let me copy this variable Shopify store and paste that. Next, I need access token. I'll type access token process.env dot. Let me grab the variable Shopify access token and paste that over. Now we have access to our Shopify store. Now we need to write the query to fetch the products using GraphQL. So I will type a function over here, const fetch products, and that will be a sync function. We need to the arrow function here. Here we will have a try catch block, try and catch block, and here we will call the Shopify GraphQL function. So I will type const response is equal to await Shopify dot GraphQL. This is the function where we will pass our GraphQL query. So let me pass the query here, which I am going to write in a second. So then we will console.log products, and let me just stringify the response in a JSON. So JSON dot stringify, and I will pass my response over here. And null and true. In the case of error, we will console.log error fetching products, and we will pass error here. Okay, so now let's write the query. For the GraphQL query, const query is equal to or that template string, and in the template string, first we need to have these curly brackets, and we will type products, and we will type first, let's say first 10 products, and then we will have the edges, and then inside edges we have nodes, and that is the node of the product. We need to have the product ID, so I'll type ID. We will fetch the title, and then we will fetch the variants, and in the variants we need to define how many variants we need. So let's say first 10 variants, and similarly variants have edges, so I will type edges, and then we will have node, and inside node we will have the variant fields like ID, title, and the price. So now we have our query ready for the execution. So at the end, let's call this function fetch products. And now open the terminal. And type, let me just change the position of the terminal so you can see it. Okay, I will type node fetch product .js. Because we name it products, then we name it to the products. So I'll type products and also change the name here, products.js, and hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully grabbed the products from Shopify. We have products object, then inside edges, then node, and this is the ID of the product, this is title, and then we have variants. Inside variant we have edges, node, and the ID of the variant and the title of the variant and price of the variant. And that's it. You have learned how to fetch products from Shopify using GraphQL in Node.js. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. If you need further assistance or have any question, feel free to contact me on Fiverr or Upwork. I offer professional help and can assist you with your Shopify products. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.